We're making iced chocolate. And this is from a website that I actually like following. Vegans eat yummy food too. And it's very simple, but she's got this iced chocolate on there and man, it's like delicious. And you don't have all the ice cream and all the really stuff that you just don't want around your waistline. So we're going to make it, and it calls for like at least 2 trays of ice, but I don't know if we've got 2 trays left. Okay, because Moses and Olive have been going for it. Yeah. Oh, there we go. We are putting some chocolate in there. Oh, Mum, it's a bit high for you guys, yeah? Here, you pour that in. That's vanilla essence. Some vanilla essence. Oh, and I thank my friends from South Africa who always bring me the vanilla essence from there. Oh, it's so good. Pour it in. And 100% maple syrup. So, where any plant milk will do, any plant milk will do. So, I like using either almond milk, or there's a mixture of almond and coconut milk, or soy milk, or rice milk. Okay, this is going to be really loud. Okay, so don't turn it on yet, okay?
Mommy, excuse me. I'm eating the maple syrup.
Not good for your teeth. Oh, it's done. That was easy. Ready? I'm going to pour some. This is very icy. So you can just like use a spoon or... Oh, sorry. Did I knock you?
Oh, it's very icy.
It is very icy. This is what it's like. It's an iced chocolate. It's the real deal.
Chocolate.
Whoa,
Iced
yum.
chocolate.
It's iced chocolate. There you have it. Your iced chocolate. Here's some for you guys.
The ice melted.
Yes. Okay, tell everyone you're too busy eating, so say bye.
Bye.
We're too busy. Gonna drink our iced chocolates.